Oh, you're gonna just go straight for it, huh?
Well, I might as well. Alright, so hold it again for 2 seconds.
2 seconds, and then it'll blink 3 times. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna try and see how bad it is, right? Because you don't think it's that bad?
No, I didn't say it was that bad. I didn't feel sorry for putting it on the dog.
Okay, so you don't feel sorry for okay.
I don't feel sorry for putting it on the dog.
So you're gonna try it to see
Right.
how bad it really feels.
So it's down here, right?
Yeah.
So like,
Kaladin.
I don't think anything's going.
Louder. No? Okay.
Alright, so am I supposed to do this again?
Yeah.
Alright, so level 3 or whatever?
Yeah.
Alright, level 3.
Level 3.
It's the roughest level we got?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, stop.
Kaladin, don't touch.
Okay.
Are you sure it's on your... I think it has to be more.
Oh, screw you, man!
I just find
done.
it so funny that he's in there barking like a dog.
Oh, that's funny to you?
Where do, like, I swear it works though, because when he has it on, he whimpers. It's gotta work. Like, maybe you're just not putting it in the right place on your neck.
I put it up high, I put it up low. I don't know.
Like, more like louder and more like sudden.
That dude was just going like, and then like, you know.
But it was right on his voice box. Is it right on your voice box?
I thought this was my voice box.
No, I thought it was up higher.
This is my Adam's apple behind the trachea. The voice box and the larynx is right down here. My physiology.
Oh, I shouldn't be trying to,
Like, how much higher do you want this?
So I shouldn't be trying to correct the Corman?
Oh, yeah, because I studied human anatomy and physiology. Yeah, whatever.
I thought it beeped if it does, like, register. Jake's like, what is that thing? I think I remember it.
This is level 1.
Those are supposed to be contacting.
Yeah, like... There's a shot. Oh, nice! That was level 1!
Okay, you get up to level then.
Well, okay, how did I get this?
You hold it for 2 seconds.
Hold it for 2 seconds.
So
1002. Okay, so that's...
And then it'll blink twice.
1, 2, yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold it in the exact same spot.
Mildly uncomfortable.
Oh, you're gonna just go straight for it, huh?
Well, I might as well. Alright, so hold it again for 2 seconds.
2 seconds, and then it'll blink 3 times.
Okay.
Oh my god.
That was really uncomfortable.
Do it again. Like, does it get worse?
I've done all 3 levels, you
I know,
sicko!
but I think it gets worse, like, if you keep going.
Are you sure?
I think so. You're not holding it in the same spot.
That one! That one!
I'm not gonna try.
No, here, wait, level 1.
I'm not gonna try.
That was level 3.
Is it really?
No, level 3. That was bad. I'll admit.
I'm not that brave, sorry.
No, just here. Hold on.
So, do you think it's too mean?
No.
That looked like it hurt.
It was really uncomfortable. It was like hurting.
That was pretty
yeah, it was pretty bad, but it ain't inhumane. And I will say that.
But I mean, I think it did the trick though. Like he hasn't barked like he used to.
Yeah, it does the trick. It's just like.
But I think like we don't have to.
Now the only problem is repeated shock. Now I think I have kind of a burn.
Oh no.
Like electrical, like burn.
See, and that happens to like that's sad.
Yeah, but he's got fur instead of direct skin to skin contact.
No, but it's supposed to contact their skin to work.
It is, but he has fur.
Yeah, but it still says like some dogs you have to kind of like shave a little bit so that it won't work unless it touches their skin.
That's crazy.
But
it ain't.
We haven't had to use it in like over a year. And
I know.
He hasn't. Actually, probably more like 2 years.
Give it a shot. Level 1. Here, I prove it. It's level 1. See? But you have to put it right under, well, not where your Adam's apple is. All right.
Oh, no. It's like, oh, like, I don't know. It's how you expect it to feel. Like, it's a shock.
Mm-hmm.
But like, oh, Jake. He's like, I remember that thing. But I mean, it got the job done. We only had to use it like a few times, like 2 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
And he learned pretty quick, and he's like would not bark with it on. And then even after we stopped using it,
It was most hilarious when he actually barked and then he got shocked.
no, there was that one time he barked and then he like yelped really loud, and then because he yelped really loud, it went off again, and then he cried and like he tried to run away. It was so sad. It's not funny.
It is
Don't
funny.
laugh. It's not funny.
No, it was so funny when it happened to me, right? You laughed so hard.
Because you look really like, and you still think that's okay? Like,
Repeated use, yes. Like, I mean, like, once in a while, like, it'll stop it. It's supposed to be a deterrent. It's supposed
but
to...
it is. It trained him. It did the job.
Mhm.
It did work. It was kind of mean, but it did work.
Kind of.
Is that yummy? Yum, 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 yum. Wow, kiddo. What a good eater you are. You ate all your veggies? Is that good? Look at the cuteness. Oh my goodness. I die. Was Daddy silly?
Come on, Bobby. Daddy, show the Bobby.
It's so
Come on,
cute.
Bobby. Bobby.
Rally's is generally
Bobby.
cheap.
Bobby. Bobby. Bobby.
Chomper's like, what?
No.
Hey, don't you nip at my son.
No.
Baby Chomper wants to sleep. Been here less than 10 minutes. He's already out. Okay. He'll sleep so quick. I've been here less than 10 minutes. He's out. And did Jake give you some kisses? Is he your buddy? Is that your doggy? Is he giving you kisses? Hey, where you going? Hey guys, it's the moment of truth. Okay, so my laptop stopped working and I took it apart and this is why it stopped working. I don't know if you can tell, but here. See? It severed on one of this is the DC jack, so it broke. First I thought it was the charger, so I ordered a new charger from Amazon, which luckily was inexpensive. It was like less than $9, and the charger didn't help. So then I researched it more, figured it was probably the DC jack, and ordered that. When I took it apart, I could figure it out. It definitely was DC jack because of that sever. And I've been having some issues with the keyboard. Some of the keys stopped working. So I figured while I was at it, I might as well replace the keyboard. So then I waited all weekend. I ordered these on Thursday and had to wait until yesterday, Wednesday, or today, Wednesday, sorry. So I waited almost an entire week, even though Amazon Prime, just because of the holiday weekend. And I just now put in the new DC jack, started putting the laptop back together, put in the new keyboard, finished putting everything back together, plugged it into the brand new charger just in case it was also the charger. There is an orange light on. I'm thinking that's a really good sign. So this is the moment of truth. I'm going to try to turn it on. So we'll see. I'm a little bit nervous because that was a lot of work and it will suck if it was all for nothing. I haven't put this back on yet just in case I have to take it apart again. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. It's working! It's working! It's working! It's working! I did it! I did it! Oh my gosh. This is really exciting. My dad's usually the one who fixes things. He's a mechanic and he's also really good at fixing computer issues and things of that nature. I cannot believe... Oh my god, I can't believe I did that all by myself. Well, all by myself and thanks to 3 very helpful YouTube tutorials. Thank you so much, you guys. But I feel like so adult right now. I'm almost 30 and I'm married and have a kid and I feel like a grown up because I fixed my laptop. So I'm so excited. It was really, I have Justin's laptop I've been using, which is right over here on my shoulder bio. Which was great, because if I would have been without one entirely, that would have been very bad. But I still, you know, there's documents on this computer that I needed, some spreadsheets, our budget to pay our bills. I was like trying to do it by memory. Secondly, the vlog footage. I mean, guys, I was almost completely done editing the next installment of the vlog when this all happened, and not to mention all the other footage that's only on here. So between my friend getting water dumped on her laptop by her 2-year-old and it going black, and this, like, okay, I hear you got loud and clear. I'm backing up our footage and everything else to our external hard drive, like, today. Maybe tomorrow, though, because it's really late. But I'm backing it up because I don't want to be in this position again. So that was really nerve-wracking. So I did it. It's great to have my own actual laptop back. Now, here's the other moment of truth. Let's make sure that the keys that were broken before that didn't work, and so the reason I got a new keyboard was because a couple of them didn't work. The function button, Z. You don't realize how much you use the letter Z until you cannot use the letter Z. Like, I didn't think, oh, Z, whatever, I don't use Z that much. Yeah, I do. The letter Z, question mark, the arrow keys, the 0 on the 10 key. Z works! The question mark. Oh my gosh, this is great! Okay. And best of all, it cost almost nothing. The new DC jack was about $5. The new keyboard was about $13. So less than $20. I fixed it myself instead of having to spend probably at least $100, probably more than that, to pay someone to do it for me. It was easy enough. Oh my god. Seriously, like the feeling of accomplishment is pretty cool. I haven't done something like this, like to feel so accomplished by myself in a while. Speaking of accomplished, we have a lot to accomplish very soon, because we do have orders, and that means we are leaving this area in about 2 months exactly. Our lease is up November 7th. Justin's command said, just let us know when you need to detach. Like, any time is good for us. His report no later than date is December 10th. So somewhere in between, like late October, December 10th.